Discover the epitome of cutting-edge technology with drones, where aerial prowess meets limitless creativity. Unleash your imagination as these remarkable devices redefine photography, videography, and exploration from breathtaking new heights. In this video, we'll take a look at the 5 best drones that are available on the market today. We've carefully put together this list of featured drones based on market research, including customer reviews and feedback, that offer the most value for your money. For more information and the latest prices of the mentioned products, you can visit the links found in the description box below. Now, let's get started. The 5th product on the list is the Bwine F7GB2 drone with camera. The Bwine drone is an excellent choice for beginners and experienced drone pilots alike. With a 4K camera and 3-axis gimbal, you can capture stunning aerial footage and images with ease. The drone has a 90 degrees adjustable lens and 120 degrees FOV lens, allowing you to capture video and photos at up to 9,800 feet away. The drone also features GPS auto-return, follow me, waypoints, and level 6 wind resistance, making it easy to fly and control. With 2 batteries included, you can enjoy up to 50 minutes of flight time. The Bwine F7GB2 drone is a worthy alternative to the DJI Mini 3 and a great investment for anyone looking to capture stunning aerial footage. Up next in 4th place is the DEERC D50 drone with camera. The DEERC D50 drone is a user-friendly drone that comes with a backpack to store the drone and all accessories, making it easy to take with you on outdoor adventures. With 2 batteries that support up to 24 minutes of flight time, you can enjoy extended flying time without worrying about running out of power. The built-in 2K Ultra HD camera with a 120-degree field of view and adjustable angle captures clear footage. The drone can handle light to moderate winds with ease, thanks to its slightly bigger weight and the power provided by the modular battery. Overall, the DEERC D50 drone is a great option for those looking for an affordable and easy-to-use drone with decent features and clear footage. The 3rd product on our list is the Holystone HS175D RC Quadcopter GPS 4K drone. The Holystone RC Quadcopter 4K drone is a great option for both beginners and professionals alike. With its advanced GPS technology, it is easy to handle and comes with helpful features like return-to-home headless mode and altitude hold. The drone has a stable flight, UHD 4K camera, and professional customer service, making it an excellent consumer drone for family vacations, wildlife photography, and scenery photography. The drone comes with a good quality travel case and is affordably priced. The camera has a 120 degrees wide-angle lens and allows remote angle adjustment from straight ahead to ground view. The drone is foldable, weighs less than 250 grams, and is beginner-friendly. The 2nd product on our list is the DEERC D20 Mini drone. The DEERC D20 drone is an affordable and fun option for both kids and adults. It has been on the market since 2020 and has proven to be a reliable choice. While it is recommended for ages 14 and up, it can also be suitable for kids as young as 10 with some hand dexterity and patience for propeller changes. The drone is easy to fly and comes with features like altitude hold, headless mode, and 1-key start speed adjustment. However, one downside is that it is lightweight and sensitive to wind. Overall, the DEERC D20 Mini drone offers a great entry-level experience with its durability and maneuverability. Finally, number 1 on this list is the Holystone HS110D FPV RC drone. The Holystone RC drone is a feature-packed and affordable option for beginners and hobbyists. With its wide-angle lens that offers a 120-degree field of view, you can capture stunning aerial footage and photos. The drone is easy to fly and hovers nicely once you get the trim dialed in, making it a great choice for novice flyers. It comes with 2 batteries, spare rotor blades, LED covers, blade protectors, and a clip-on device to hold your phone in place above the remote controller. The 1080p camera delivers clear and crisp images, and you can even fly the drone using VR goggles for a more immersive experience. With its responsive controller and affordable price, the Holystone HS110D is a fun and capable drone for both kids and adults. So, there you have it. This concludes our list of the 5 best drones on the market today. If you liked this video, please subscribe and hit that like button. To see more about these products, check out the links in the description box below. Thanks for watching.